Hi guys, it's Tammy, and I have never heard of a company called May Designs. At least I don't think I have. But I found them and I thought that I would share with you some of the things that I got. I mean, look how pretty this is. And I'm thinking gifts, and then I'm also thinking treats for myself. So I have this package, and then I also have a box of some things to show you. Now, I don't think the prices are on here. They aren't super cheap, I'm going to tell you that, but I felt like they were reasonable. And they had a special on their like cups, their drinking glasses. So that's, I think it was buy three, get one free. And I think they were normally like $25 each, something like that. And you can get some things personalized and all of that. So I did that as well. So that's what's in this box. I'm assuming I haven't opened it all yet. But anyway, let me go ahead and show you these. So I got myself this little cute notebook, and it says Tammy on it, obviously. And it is May Designs. And since this is mine, I'm going to go ahead and open it. Oh, the sticker is reusable, so that's kind of cool. And then there's a little thanks. Thanks at May Designs. We are so excited to create customized products for everyday moments. Your one-of-a-kind product was made with great care from start to finish. So here is my little book, and this is a menu planner. I thought that, or a meal planner. I thought that this would be kind of cute. It has all the days of the week and then the market list here. And that's just what it is through the whole thing until you get to the very end, and then it has some recipe spots. So I thought that that might be cute to use, and it's a great size. They did have other sizes that you could buy. The edge has the little string on it. It's really cute. I'm liking this. I think that I will enjoy that very much. And then this one says, in your presence there's fullness of joy. Psalm 16:11. I got two, something like that. And this one is, 'tis so sweet to trust in Jesus. This one is the one that I got for me. This one is the one that I got for my daughter. So I'm not going to open hers, but I will open mine. And they are the same on the inside. And it's a little Bible journal. Oh my goodness, look at the side. Hers is like that too. Cute. So it has like little flowery stuff. Does the other one? Nope. Oh, but it's because of what's on the inside. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so it has 40 days of prayer and gratitude, and it has a place for you to write your name in it. And then there's prayers and gratitude, and then scripture here at the bottom. And it looks like it does that the whole way, maybe. And then the last pages are blank. But they are beautifully decorated with these beautiful flowers. This great design. So that's really nice. That will be nice to use. And then I think this one is just a notebook that I decided I wanted. So I didn't get any personalization on this. The personalization, I believe, is $5, so I just opted for not getting it on this one. Oh no, this is a little daily planner. And this says, make today amazing. And then it has today with all the, well here, let me turn to another. There, it has today with the grid lines, and then to do, call, or email, and tomorrow. So it gives you some future planning. And I was going to take this to work. That's what my plan was with this. So that's pretty cute. And it has the same thing all through. And then the back page has the grid lines, and then this is just striped. Really cute. And that's kind of what I use at work, is just kind of a to-do list. Like I write little notes and I make myself to-do lists and things. So I'm hoping that this will work for that. I haven't found the perfect system for my work yet. So that is all of that. And then in this box, oh boy, this is cool. So this one says, enjoy today, and it matches this, which I thought was kind of cool. And they do have lids. that stick on well, and it has a little drink hole. It's not closable, but they are metal. And this looks like it is not like lasered, like it's not like a sticker or anything. It looks like it's lasered on there so that it won't come off. This is very pretty, very nicely made, very cute. It has a nice seal on it that seems to stay put. You can take it off and put it on without having to fix the seal too much. Oh, yeah. I don't like the cups where the seal like starts to peel away and you have to go through and it doesn't fit when you put it back on. This one seems to be all right. And it doesn't easily come off, which is nice. So yeah, this is quality stuff. Quality stuff, Clark. So there's that. I don't even remember what I got. Oh, this is pretty. This one says Tammy, and it looks marbled, and I thought I would take it to work. I was hoping it was a little more pink and purpley, but it's actually really pretty. I don't mind it at all. Same kind of thing, same kind of lid. Oh, I say that about the rings, and then this one doesn't. The ring is totally off of it. But it is easy to put it on, which is, I guess, good to know too. Let's make sure I can get it on the, yeah, it goes right on. So that was nice. And it has a nice little spot over here for your thumb to help pull it up. Yeah, okay, good. So that's cute. And I don't know why I thought I needed all of these mugs. I should have been thinking more gifty, but here's another one that I guess I needed. Does it match this one? Of course it does. I guess I will take this one to work. Although the Enjoy Today one is a good one to take to work too, but it's very cute. It says Tammy on it. Very nice. And of course it has a lid. Same as the others. Now this one should be for my daughter. And looks like I got the same one as my Enjoy Today one. Yes, and it says Katie. And it is very cute. I do like this a lot, and she will love this. And then it has the lid. And I'm going to wrap it back up in this and keep it. And she has a birthday in November, and then she has, you know, she's going to college and all of that jazz, so I don't know when I'm going to give it to her, but lots of occasions to give her stuff. It's fun to share with her and my son. So even just sending it as a care package, this would be a nice little care package to send to her too. So that is what I got for the chick. So thanks for watching, guys. And again, the company is called May Designs. And if you just check them out online, maydesigns.com, I believe. And yeah, I think that you will find stuff you like. It is maydesigns.com. I'll try to remember to link that below too. So thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.